All right, so welcome back, crew. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back for another video. Hey, so today we're back in the garage working on a Royal Salute here, the 1955 shop truck, and we're like 99% complete with the truck. The last thing we have is a new modification, and we're going to be working on that today. We will be replacing the hood hinges with some LS fabrication hinges, and basically this is what it is. These hinges right here, I already took my hinges off, so we will be doing away with the factory hinge, and we're going to go with the LS fabrication hinges, guys. And this is I already went on ahead and opened it up, and this is what we're all the tools that we're going to use here. Don't go anywhere, guys. We'll be right back, and we will be doing an install of the LS fabrication hood hinges for the 47 to 54 Chevy shop truck. All right, crew, so we are back here in the garage. Now, one thing that I'm already telling you guys, this product here, I'm not sponsoring this. I actually just saw the product online. I thought it would be a good product, so I went on ahead and purchased it. Now, they do have a YouTube video out there, and I'm telling you, this company is coming from Canada, and like I said, it's LS Fabrication. I only seen one video that I guess the owners or whatever that was installing it, and I'm already telling you right now, I'm not talking bad about this kit or anything, because I haven't even put on a truck yet, but no instructions came with my kit, so I actually had to go online to their website, and I found the new instructions. They said it's supposed to be a Q code that came in my kit, but this is the only thing that came with my kit. I didn't get no stickers. They said a sticker is supposed to come with your kit, and also a Q code that you can scan, because there's some new instructions evidently. And so I went online. You cannot use the instructions that's on the YouTube video, so I did write them down here as far as the instructions I got on the website. So the first hole from the rubber bumper, plastic bumper, is going to be 5.75 inches, and then from 5.75 inches you got to mark it another 5 inches. So this is the one bracket here, and this is the inner bracket. I'm going to show you where to go. So my bumper, the little plastic bumper stopper, will be right here, and so from here to there I measured 5.75, which I went on ahead and put an X on it, and then from here to there is supposed to be 5 inches. And then this here will go on the inside. Once you drill your holes, it'll go like this here on the inside. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, and first I'm gonna remove my inner brackets, and we're gonna put the new ones on. Alright, so now this is going to call for some drilling, so we're going to go ahead and drill our holes next. And I did forget to tell you, you want to use a 1/4 drill bit. I need to open that hole up. Little button head screw here will fit through there, just like that. You need a 1/8 to drill it. All right, so let's do, and then like I said, from here to there is 5 inches. I'm gonna double check before I drill. All right. button head nut. And the tools you're gonna need is a 7/16, and like I said, in the 1/8. Put the other one in there. And then we'll go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll put the springs on. Now we're coming to kit, so these button head screws, this is what you would use, but I'm using my custom ones that I actually brought. And now we'll put our bracket up top. Like that. Clean up the edge a little bit and we'll put the bracket on. We'll tighten it up, and then we'll do the other side. And once everything is, once we go ahead and put this on the other side, it's the same, then I'll turn you guys back on. All right, guys, so we are done with the install of the LS fabrication hood hinges, and I tell you what, they sit a lot better than the factory hood hinges, that's for sure. Before, like I said, those springs are so tight. It was raised up in the back there, probably about 3 inches. And I can still adjust it a little bit more, get on the inside, okay? So it is raised probably about 1/4 vice 3 inches. So I'm happy with that for sure. All right. And let's go ahead and see here if I can open this up with one hand. There we go. Never done it before. Look at that there. Man, that is so nice. I just raise up. Okay. Everything is nice and even. They're black, so they actually matches the truck. All right, very simple install. Between 1 and 10, I actually give it a 4. Other than that, I really like the struts and stuff, the air struts and everything. Very simple design, no brainer. I do, unfortunately, like I said, I want to make sure you guys know that I'm not getting paid advertisement to do these struts. I just thought it was you guys know, if it's a cool item that I'm gonna put on a truck and I think it's gonna be useful, then I'm gonna just go ahead and buy it with my own money. And there, like I said, it's not a paid advertisement. So the only thing that I can say that I wasn't too pleased. It was, you know, a couple of things. It took 3 weeks for me to get this. I know it may not even be their fault. Of course, it's the post office fault because it's just so slow. And this company is actually from Canada. So I don't know if there's something going on with the mail system, but 3 weeks is just extremely too long to be waiting on the product. Also, I wasn't very happy. So if LS Fabrication, you guys watching this video, also I didn't get no, what they call it, Q code, no stickers, no instructions with this. So I just basically looked online and I found the instructions and stuff for the cab. So other than that, you know, I just wasn't happy with that, how it came and stuff. Waiting 3 weeks, you'd think that it'd come a little bit better with instructions. So that's enough rambling on. If you guys like this video, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for sure. Help me out, help a buddy out, man. And you know, don't forget to like, share this video as well. So hey, like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, what I'm smoking, I got a good old cigar here today. And like I said, you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, you know it. Smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.